Dropshipping Honest Review. In this video, I will give you my honest review about how to use Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get access to Shopify's dropshipping, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. Now, let me show you how to use Shopify. As you can see that I'm inside the members area of Shopify. Then under orders on Shopify, you will see how many orders you have in your Shopify store. You can also see the abandoned checkouts, Now let's go to products. Other products, you can able to add your own product on Shopify. But not only that, if you have already existing store, you can also import that existing store here on Shopify. Now in this video, let me show you how to add your own dropshipping products on Shopify. Under title here, you have to write the product title. Write the product title that you want to sell there. Then for the description, you must write a product description. But Shopify, it has an AI tool that's gonna write for me automatically any product description. All you have to do, just click here to generate text. Then after that, you have to put some related keywords about the product that you want to sell here on Shopify. As you can see that I've put in some t-shirt for men. This is my keywords. This AI tool is gonna write content. It's gonna write product description based on the keywords I have put in here. I'm gonna click here to keep it. As you can see, in just a few seconds, the AI tool from Shopify is done writing content for me automatically. Then you can go to media. Then under media on Shopify, you can able to upload images. You can able to upload videos for your own Shopify store here on Shopify. Then for category, you have to choose the related categories for the product that you want to sell here. Take a look at these categories such as baby, business, pet, suppliers, animals, arts, entertainment. There are so many categories. Then we're gonna go to pricing. Then for pricing, you have to put the price that you want to sell your product on Shopify. You can also put the compared price. You have to put the cost per item. This is how much you have to pay for your supplier. And then for Shopify, it's gonna show you the profit that you'll be earning and also the margins that you'll be making. Then leave everything as default for inventory. Then for shop location, leave everything as default. Do not change anything there. Then for shipping, you have to put the weight, the kilos, the kgs of the product that you are selling. Then for the status on Shopify, make sure that it is active. Then you can also go here to save the product. This is how you can able to save your own product on Shopify. Now let's go to collections. You can able to create your own collections on your Shopify store. You can also look at inventories. You can also look at the purchasing history. You can also go to customers. Under customers, you can see your customers' details like the age, the order history, and also you can make the customers by segments. You can also go to analytics. Then under analytics, you can able to see or to track on how your store it is performing right now. You can also check the total orders that you have in your store. You can able to track the total orders maybe yesterday, the total orders last month, last 7 days, all of those things. You can do some customization here to check them how your store it is performing. You can also check the online store sessions. It means that like how many people they are visiting your store right now. You can also check the total orders. You can also check the average order value. You can also check the top selling products. If you are selling multiple products on your Shopify store, you can help to scale the store that is getting more orders compared to other stores. Now let's go to marketing. Then for marketing, you can do email marketing on Shopify. You can send email follow-ups on customers who went through in your checkout, but they didn't purchase. Maybe for some reason, maybe they are busy. You can remind those customers via emails, guys. You can send automated emails using Shopify's email marketing. Now let's go to discounts. On discounts, you can offer 10% discounts, 5% discount, depending on you on what you want discount. Then you can offer some discounts. You can get more orders by offering discounts. Then now let's go here to themes. These are the done for you stores on Shopify that you can use, guys. Okay, you can use these done for you stores on Shopify. Take a look at these stores. If you're on a clothing niche or if you're on a beauty niche, you can take a look at these stores. Let me just see this clothing brand stores, how it looks like. You can customize these stores. You can customize it. All you have to do, you can just click here to add store. It's gonna be added automatically in your own Shopify store, guys. Let's take a look at these stores, these themes, how they look like. The page is loading up. Let's give it some time. So these are the stores that you can able to customize on Shopify. Like, you can also change the logos here on Shopify. You can put your own logos. You can put your own clothing brands there. Put your own price. Put your own currency. You can put your own domain here, guys. Okay, instead of Shopify themes, you can put your own domains. It is so easy and so simple, guys, to use Shopify. Okay, and also, if you want to get access to Shopify's 30 days free trial, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. When you click that link, guys, it's gonna take you to this page. This is the page which says start for free. Enjoy your first month for $1, guys. Okay, it's so easy, it's so simple. Just put your email, start your free 30 days free trial. Then I highly recommend that you pay on a yearly basis, because you can save up to 25% off on Shopify. The basic plan is gonna be $19 per month, guys. This is the most popular plan that I highly recommend for people. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you.